Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Holly. Today we are doing a B&M haul. So I am a mum of 3 and so I've got a few Christmas bits that I've picked up. I've got some stocking fillers to show you. I have some gift wrap and we have some of the general things that you would expect from a B&M haul. Some cleaning products and supplies. So let's get started and I'm going to show you everything that I bought. Okay, so diving into the bag, and the first thing I pick up is this bamboo dish brush. It is made from sustainably sourced bamboo and recycled plastic. It's $1.99 and it's a really cool shape. I do have one of these actually already downstairs, obviously in the kitchen, that I use for actually cleaning the sink out, and so I wanted one that was actually, we then clean the pots and stuff with a dishcloth, and I just wanted one that was actually designated for cleaning the pots and not one that has been used to clean. So really good value, and I love the fact it is eco-friendly. We do try to be eco-friendly as much as we can. So this is actually a stocking filler and this is the glitter slime bath, and I think that was £3. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I just said how much the thing was. I am so, like, I have a kid that does not sleep and I'm just super sleep deprived at the minute, but I will try and like tell you guys the prices of everything. I do have another bath product in here. So yeah, these were both, as far as I'm aware, £3. We have a slime one and a glitter slime, a glitter slime bath. So stocking fillers, £3 each, and these are for my older two. So I have a almost 3-year-old and a 5.5-year-old, so that is for them, and hopefully, I don't know if that's actually going to fit in their stocking, to be fair. That might actually not be a stocking. Just pretend I didn't say that, because I just don't think that's going to fit in their stockings. But really nice cheap little present that can kind of bulk up stuff. And I did pick up this actually. So it's not actually a Barbie. I did get my daughter, she's the almost 3-year-old, and it does, I saw something the other day that said that Barbie is actually now designed for younger children, so from 3 years plus. So I did get her an eco-friendly Barbie. It was made with like recycled plastic, but then I just thought to kind of bulk that up and just another gift, this was £3, and like it does say 3+, and hopefully she will enjoy like dressing them up and stuff. So that might be something that she starts getting into. She doesn't have anything like that at the minute, but she does love her like baby dolls, so maybe that's something that she's going to enjoy, hopefully. But if not, it wasn't expensive, so it's not the end of the world. I'm going to try and show you the like presents and stuff first, all the Christmassy stuff. And I will actually be doing a video, it was quite popular, like really popular last year that I did, where I showed you everything that I bought the kids for Christmas, like everything, right from stocking fillers, outfits, main presents, just everything. So I will be doing that as well, so you might see some of these items again, but there's a lot of things that I have bought, other stuff that you won't see in any other video that will be new, so make sure you do subscribe to make sure that you don't miss that. Okay, so this has actually moved out of place, so if I just put it back in place if I can. This is another one by the same company and it's called Simply Kids. I don't know how much this was, I don't think it has a price on it. So this one is a strawberry scented bath bomb. They are forever trying to borrow and take my bath bombs of the kids, and they absolutely love them, whereas this company is specifically designed for kids, so you know it's safe, it's easy and gentle on their skin, and yeah, just like it says, skin safe, stain free, easy clean and drain safe. But there is a turtle one, and then I've got another strawberry scented one, and this is a cat. So it's pretty obvious, I guess, that this will probably go to my daughter. And well, I mean, I guess no, we don't need to really fit into the gender stereotypes, so one of them will get this and one will get the other one. And we have another bath bomb actually, and there is a surprise charm inside, but this is for Bo. He loves dinosaurs and stuff, and does it say what scent it is? I don't think so, but there is a surprise charm. It doesn't, I don't know if it even says what the surprise charm is. I think that was about £3, so that's just fun for him to do in the bath and play with, make it a bit more exciting. And then we got these Hot Wheels cars to bulk up his ever-growing stash. He does have so many Hot Wheels cars and it's ridiculous, but we just seem to keep buying more, and I know that we have got other ones as well, but these are what we picked up from B&M. So we have a Land Rover. We did actually used to have a Land Rover, so he does love big like 4x4 cars like that. And then we have a surfing school bus. So I think these are what my husband picked out, but I'm sure he'll have fun racing these and doing all sorts. I think he has a Hot Wheels track and stuff that we got him last year, so he'll probably be playing with them all on that. Oh, and then talking about bath bombs, I'm sure I have another pack of this somewhere, which is making me wonder whether I've left it in the boot of the car. But I'm sure I did buy, unless this is because we got this, but I thought I'd bought, there was quite a few different variations, but this one is for Leilani, and this is Bath Fizzers, and it's all glittery, and she was actually a rainbow baby, so it's really cute that it ties in, and it's just another cheap present that will bulk up, and they'll really have fun with this. They really do love their bath bombs and having fun baths, so £3 for that. A really great like place to go for really reasonably priced gifts. I have actually planned to do quite a bit of shopping there this year and really try and cut down on budgeting and just try and be more eco-friendly. Like, it doesn't make sense, not eco-friendly, monetary friendly, I don't know what the word is, just not blowing the budget, which I normally always do. There's no point getting into debt just to buy people presents, and it just seems silly. So many people end up getting themselves into debt, and I'm sure the people that then receive their presents would rather their friend wasn't in debt. So a nice way to do that is to shop at places like B&M, where you can get really nice presents and nice gift sets and things like that, and they're all reasonably priced. This is one that I have actually picked up for a friend. I didn't actually realise, I think this is a duster like stencil that you put when you do a coffee. So these are coffee syrups, vanilla, gingerbread, cinnamon, toffee and hazelnut, and this was £4. And like I say, a cute little stencil for dusting your coffee. Oh, and it does actually say there's cocoa powder, so I guess it's kind of for when you're dusting cocoa powder on the top of your coffee, but really reasonably priced for £4. I really like this. I think this will be a nice gift for somebody. I think that's it for gifts. So just a couple of cleaning products. I did actually pick this Lint Roller up. Thought this was like really cute, really nice colours and stuff. This was £2, and actually this is a gift but not a Christmas gift. This is for my mum and dad because they actually look after our dog. It's really hard having 3 kids and one ginormous dog in the house, so more often than not, if not all the time, they look after our dog. But she is an Alaskan Malamute and her fur goes everywhere, and there's just, she molts and everybody gets covered in hair, especially if you're wearing black clothing and then you want to go out somewhere. So this is when I always keep asking them if they have a lint roller and they don't have one. So now at least I know I can sort out my own clothing at their house, and I think they will appreciate, considering they only have like a brush to brush the dog hair off. I think when they realise how effective lint rollers are, they will have like had their eyes opened to a world of dog-free clothing. So that is a little gift for my mum and dad that I will probably be giving them at some point this week. And then I really like the Fabulosa brand. I've discovered it quite recently and really started to be using it a lot. They have a lot of really fancy scented disinfectants. I think recently I got one that was like gingerbread, or it was maybe, I think it was cinnamon roll. And so cleaning with that, it makes my house smell amazing. So I'm interested to try this. It is foam freshener, carpets, upholstery, room freshener, and it does say it's suitable for vegans, which we are. And there is the intense freshness, intense flavour scent, and rainbow drops, which yes, I did get sucked in a little bit, because honestly, what does rainbow drops smell like? I don't know. But we are, I would say we are potty training, but it feels like we've literally been potty training for over 6 months, and some days she really grasps it, and some days we go so far backwards, and every single time it's an accident, and I don't know why. We need to probably like ask the health visitor or Google it or something, because I'm at my wit's end. And until I can afford to buy some new flooring and rip all that carpet up, I'm going to try and just hang on. And I'm really hoping, I keep trying different carpet fresheners, carpet cleaners. We have our own like actual carpet cleaner, but then to maybe try and just make it smell that bit nicer. I'm hoping this will at least save us and keep us going for that little bit longer until we can get some hard flooring down that is wipe proof and wipe clean. And then the last thing to show you guys is some gift wrap, and I think this is going to be for friends and stuff. I don't think I'm going to use this for under our tree. I have a theme for our like house that I have planned. I'm really excited. It's going to be, we always have a Disney Christmas tree, and I'm going to be kind of tying in a candy theme, and I'm going to go for traditional colours in the living room and maybe the more pastel candy sort of decorations and gingerbread stuff in the kitchen. But with traditional reds and stuff, I don't think this is going to look amazing under our tree. It fits our general living room decor of being pink, but I just don't think it's going to fit, and I just want wrapping paper that fits. I don't know if other people do that, or if you just see whatever looks the prettiest and maybe I'm thinking too much about it. But this is let me see, so this was Deluxe wrapping paper, 12 meters, and it was £1, and it is this gorgeous like pale pink and like navy. I really love this. I was so undecided when I saw it what I was going to use it for, if it was going to be for our presents or what. But yeah, I needed to pick it up and I needed to buy it, but I didn't know what I was planning on actually doing with it. And then I did get some gift bags and stuff, so I'll show you. I got different ones. I got this really big one. I don't really know, I don't think I've actually planned to buy anybody any really big presents unless I just put maybe my mum and dad's presents together or something in here. So that was £1 for a huge bag. And is it the same? I think it's so it is the same on both sides, but this side has actually got glitter on, but it doesn't seem to stick too bad, she says, as she like pulls glitter off her fingers. So then there was a 3-pack of gift bags with gift tags, and that's from the same set as well, and that was £1.99. I think you can maybe see what the different designs are, and you can see on the back, so that's really cute, and that's got glitter bits on it as well. And then so I got 40 gift tags. I wanted just everything to be matching, and I was trying to be organised this year, and that was for £1. So those are really cute and they all match really nicely. I don't think I'm going to be giving away, as far as I'm aware, I haven't bought 40 gifts, and I don't even think I know that many people, so they will probably do for next year as well, although I say that every year and then I forget, and then I just buy more, and I have a whole loft full of wrapping paper for Christmas. So I might have to utilise and see what else I've got if I run out, or maybe for our family I can find something that matches with the kind of decor that I have planned for the living room. Another bag here, so that in comparison to the small bags is kind of that size difference, and that was 89p, really reasonably priced. It just looks so cozy, and then in comparison that's what you're looking at in terms of the big bag. And I think the last thing, and I don't know, this will just be for anybody just to bulk up if I don't know what to buy people, maybe put some appetizer in or something, but that is 79p, and it's just for a bottle bag. But that is everything I had to show you guys from B&M. Really getting excited about Christmas now. I'm kind of almost like moved on from Halloween, but I am still going to be decorating for Halloween. I'm really excited. There will be some videos. I don't know if they'll already be up on my channel, so make sure you do go and check. Yeah, Halloween is kind of my husband's thing. He's getting really excited about that. It's going to be Disney theme, of course, which Asda is doing awesome stuff for that. But yes, I have lots of Christmas exciting videos and I'm just excited to start shopping. So if you do like this video, or if you did like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hauls and homemaking content, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.